UNICEF. Health, education and safe water supply, such as lack of basic services, such as many more children are affected, he said. UNICEF's regional director Adel Koda, who has just returned from the visit to Al-Baida and Derna, said, "Children are always among the most vulnerable ones when disasters are shot." Disaster storm Daniel hit East Libya on September 10. Derna, Colonel Susa, Al-Marj, Shahat, Taknas, Bata, Tolmata, Bursis, Tokra and Al-Ehaya left widespread floods destruction. The heavy rainfall and collapse of 2 dams swept all neighborhoods in Mediterranean Sea, leaving coastal city underwater. According to the World Health Organization, close to 4,000 in floods and 9,000 people are still not announced. While the losses were assumed to be dead, although their bodies are under the debris or at sea, many of them still hope that their loved ones can be alive. Tweet URL UNICEF. UNICEF has been working with authorities and partners since beginning of tragedy to respond to emergency needs of children and families in affected areas. Day and night, I have already seen the destructive wages that the floods have already received to children and families. I struggled with a high psychological load with the family and talked to children who were extremely distressed. Many cannot sleep and interact. The memory of what is still disturbing their dreams and thoughts. Cry for help. The number children among wounded has not yet been verified. But considering that children constitute approximately 40% of the population, UNICEF is afraid that hundreds dies in disaster. Significant damage to health and education infrastructure means that children are once more interrupted in their education and at risk that fatal diseases are erupted. In the case of the area, 4 of 117 schools were destroyed and 80 were partially damaged. It is an increasing concern due to supply problems, water supply problems, significant damage to resources and sewage networks. It is estimated only in Derna that 50% of water systems are damaged. Sticks to Umut. UNICEF has been actively supporting children in East Libya since the second day of the crisis. Medical equipment 50,000 people 3 months. Family hygiene kit approximately 17,000 people. 500 children's winter clothing set. 200 school kit and 65 metric tons 32,000 people material was delivered. Water treatment tablets. The Children's Agency also sent mobile children's protection and psychosocial support teams CODA. While continuing our response efforts to save life, we call on the authorities and donors to invest equal, flexible and child-oriented long-term improvement. Says CODA.